Hello, I'm having some serious trouble with Apple TV. So whenever I leave and re-enter my Apple TV account, I get these two apps that I never use and I installed for fun, but for some reason they won't go away. So that fireplace icon on here is called First Rule Fireplace. And that orange clock picture, the app, is called the clock. And I get these pop-ups that say the clock needs to be updated. The developer of this app needs to update it to work with this version of tvOS. And it has the same pop-up for First Rule Fireplace. Is there a way I can make those pop-ups go away and make sure these apps remain uninstalled? If so, please reply. Thank you.